Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Van Leigh Beacon Model 42 RKB. Now the Van Leigh Beacon is a Tiffin company and it is their top of the line fifth wheel. Right up front you can tell with the painted fiberglass front cap. Actually, it is full body paint throughout the whole fifth wheel. Right there it does have the Kurt Rotoflex pin box. Prep for generator there, and here's what I love about this unit. This unit is made for full timing. You got the 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, huge storage back here, and you have even more storage on a slide out tray in the rear. But really what makes this unit special is the inside. When we walk up the solid steps, you can take a gander up there. We have an awesome rear kitchen back there. Solid surface countertops, there is a dishwasher, plenty of space up there, and then right there is like a kitchen bar. And then over here is the living room area. Nice tall ceilings, nice cabinetry, dual sofas, theater seats here and a sofa here. Normally over here there's also another sofa, but what Tiffin did, they made this into an office area, which I absolutely love. Solid surface countertop, storage, file drawers, everything, and it's a flush floor slide, so you won't have any problems sitting here doing work throughout the day. Coming up here, we do have a very nice bathroom, okay? Nice one-piece fiberglass shower, porcelain toilet. And then in the master bedroom, we have a king-size bed, plenty of storage right there, prep for a stackable washer dryer, and then wardrobe space right there. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the all-new Tiffin Van Leigh Beacon. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or, if you know that this is the unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click the link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you to get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.